Ditch the invoice chaos and say hello to streamlined billing, because today, I'm going to show you how to create professional invoices directly within Asana, completely free. First, create a new project in Asana and name it something like Invoice Project. Then choose a board layout to visualize your invoice creation workflow. Now, add a new task for each invoice you need to create. Title it clearly, like Invoice for Client October 2024. This will be your central hub for that specific invoice. This is where the magic happens. Add custom fields to your project like client name, description of services, hourly rate, hours worked, and total amount due. These fields will hold all the necessary information. Go ahead and populate these custom fields with the relevant details for each invoice task. Make sure the information is accurate. Time to automate. Set up a rule that automatically moves an invoice task to a completed section once the total amount due field is filled in. This keeps your workflow organized. While Asana doesn't directly generate a printable invoice, you can easily export the task details to a CSV file and then import it into a free invoice template from Google Docs or Microsoft Word. And there you have it, a professional invoice created using only Asana and a free template. This method is perfect for freelancers, small businesses, or anyone looking to simplify their billing. So, ditch the expensive invoicing software and start leveraging Asana's powerful features today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks.